Imagine waking up in the year 2125. The air is crisp but different, filtered by vertical forests that stretch into the clouds. Above, silent drones glide like birds, delivering breakfast grown in AI-managed vertical farms. You step outside and realize Earth isn't the same planet it once was. This is the story of our home 100 years from now. A glimpse into a future shaped by innovation, struggle, and the human spirit's relentless drive to survive and evolve. Welcome to the Future of Earth, Chapter 1, Cities of Light. By 2125, cities have evolved into living organisms. The old concrete jungles of the 21st century are gone, replaced by bioarchitectural megastructures that breathe, heal, and adapt. In the megacity of Orem 9, for example, buildings are constructed from living materials, engineered mycelium and algae that absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Each tower is wrapped in smart glass that adjusts its tint depending on sunlight, conserving energy automatically. Roads are gone. Instead, aerial lanes weave through the skyline where autonomous drones and airpods carry millions silently. On the ground, magnetic walkways glide pedestrians effortlessly. Energy harvested from their footsteps powers the city grid. Every structure is wired to the city's central AI, Echo, a digital consciousness that manages traffic, energy, waste, and even weather simulations. And this isn't science fiction. These systems are already in early prototypes today. Chapter 2, The New Humans. Humanity in 2125 looks different, not physically but functionally. Our minds and machines have merged. Neural links, once experimental, are now as common as smartphones once were. With a single thought, people communicate, learn, and even travel in virtual form. Education isn't about memorization anymore, it's about experience. Want to learn ancient history? You don't read a book. You visit the Colosseum through full-sensory neural immersion. Medicine has transcended biology. Nanobots roam the bloodstream, repairing tissues and eliminating diseases before symptoms even appear. Aging has slowed dramatically. The average lifespan now exceeds 120 years, and scientists are pushing toward functional immortality through cellular regeneration. But the most profound shift isn't physical, it's ethical. Humanity debates what it even means to be human when consciousness can exist without the body. Chapter 3, The Great Energy Revolution. By 2125, fossil fuels are ancient history. The world runs on a clean, decentralized energy web powered by fusion, solar satellites, and quantum batteries. The concept of power plants no longer exists. Every building, every vehicle, every device is a power source, generating and sharing energy through a global grid governed by blockchain-like AI. Massive orbital arrays collect solar radiation directly from the sun and beam it safely back to Earth as microwaves, powering entire continents. Fusion reactors, once the holy grail of energy, now operate safely beneath oceans, producing limitless clean power. Even remote deserts have become energy sanctuaries. Reflective solar fields shimmer like oceans of light. This was humanity's turning point, when energy abundance ended the age of scarcity. With 10 billion people on Earth, survival demanded innovation. By 2125, synthetic biology has redefined agriculture. Vertical farms stretch kilometers high, growing crops without soil or sunlight, nourished by artificial intelligence that optimizes every nutrient molecule. Food scarcity has ended, not by expanding farmland, but by reprogramming biology itself. Water, once a global crisis, is now extracted directly from the atmosphere using nano-absorbent panels and quantum desalination. Entire cities in once arid deserts now flourish. But perhaps the most breathtaking innovation is bioengineering ecosystems. Humanity didn't just protect nature, it rebuilt it. Coral reefs were regrown using gene-edited coral. Artificial glaciers regulate global temperatures. Extinct species have been reintroduced to rebalance the biosphere. For the first time in history, technology and ecology coexist, not as enemies, but as partners. The world map of 2125 looks nothing like it does today. Nations have evolved into city-states, autonomous megaregions connected by digital alliances rather than political borders. Instead of passports, citizens hold digital IDs linked to global AI citizenship systems. Economies are no longer based on money alone, but on data and energy contribution. Traditional governments were replaced by council networks. where human and AI representatives jointly make decisions. Corruption, while not gone, is nearly impossible. Every decision is transparent and recorded in quantum ledgers accessible to all. Conflicts still exist, but wars are fought in cyberspace, through data, not destruction. And for the first time, humanity is more united by common threats, climate stability, asteroid defense, and space exploration, than by territorial greed. Earth is no longer humanity's only home. By 2125, permanent colonies exist on the Moon and Mars. The Lunar Gateway serves as a hub for interplanetary transport, while Mars-domed cities, powered by fusion, host thousands of residents who were born there. Terraforming efforts have turned parts of Mars into green oases, where genetically engineered algae produce breathable oxygen. Meanwhile, massive space elevators in Earth's equatorial regions transport cargo directly into orbit. Private corporations now operate orbital habitats, luxurious ring-shaped space stations where tourism and research blend seamlessly. And even beyond Mars, robotic missions are preparing to explore the moons of Jupiter, possible future homes for humankind. The dream of the stars is no longer science fiction, it's a timeline. Standing on a balcony in the megacity of Aurum 9, you look at the horizon, a sky filled with drones, orbital rings glowing above the clouds, and the faint red shimmer of Mars visible at dusk. The question echoes, was this evolution or escape? Humanity transformed not just Earth but itself. We conquered disease, hunger, and distance, but in doing so we blurred the line between nature and machine, soul and code. And yet, beneath all the innovation and ambition, the heart of humanity still beats the same. We dream, we explore, we build because that's what we've always done. And maybe, just maybe, that's what will save us. This is 2125, the future of Earth, and the beginning of everything else.